Gumloop is making waves as an AI automation tool, but is it really worth the hype? Today, we're diving into what makes Gumloop tick and if it truly delivers on its promises. Let's find out together. Gumloop positions itself as an AI automation platform aimed at streamlining business processes. At its core, it allows users to automate repetitive tasks, manage workflows, and integrate various applications seamlessly. The user experience is fairly intuitive. Once you get the hang of the interface, it's designed to let you set up automations without needing extensive technical know-how. What stands out immediately is its flexibility in connecting with other applications, which is crucial for businesses looking to save time and improve efficiency. However, while it touts a variety of integrations, some users may find the list of supported apps somewhat limited compared to other automation tools on the market. Another point of interest is the learning curve. While the basics are easy to grasp, diving deeper into more complex automations might require some additional effort. There are also some features that feel a bit vague, leaving potential users wanting more clarity before committing. When it comes to strengths, Gumloop excels in its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for those who may not be tech-savvy. The automation capabilities can genuinely save users a lot of time, especially for repetitive tasks. However, there are some downsides. The limited number of integrations could frustrate users who rely on specific applications that aren't supported. Additionally, while there's a decent amount of documentation available, some users might find themselves needing more detailed guides for advanced features. Pricing is another concern. It might be on the higher side for small businesses or freelancers, making it less appealing for that audience. If you're a larger organization with more complex needs, you might find better suited options elsewhere. In conclusion, Gumloop is a solid choice for businesses looking to automate basic workflows, especially if you value ease of use. However, if you need extensive integrations or advanced features, it may be worth exploring other options. Overall, it seems like a worthwhile tool, but do your research to see if it fits your specific needs.